Hello and welcome to the pre-match analysis of game number 22 in this year's IPL. SRH take on rising Pune Super Giants. Super Giants, none of their performance in the last 4 games have been gigantic. They would like to come good today. MS Dhoni's team, it's been on a slide. They lost 4 games on a trot. They would like to win today and put some points on board. SRH, they have depended a lot on David Warner's form. Shikhar Dhawan, he has started to come good. A lot of credit goes to David Warner for that because he takes the pressure off of Shikhar Dhawan, scores at a quick strike rate. Dhawan is able to bide his time and get 40, 45, 50 runs playing slowly. SRH has also not chased a big target in the last few games. Today, they are batting first. It's advantage RPS when it comes to toss because the last 3 games batting first, teams have posted scores in the low 140s and the chasing teams, they have chased the total down easily. Important for Dhoni's team, Ravichandran Ashwin, he has had an average tournament. He would like to come good today. He can see 3 left-handed batsmen in the top 5 of SRH, David Warner, Shikhar Dhawan and Eoin Morgan. SRH has depended a lot on Warner, but they would like their middle order to come good today. If these 2 opening batsmen, they can get them off to a good start, 50-55 runs in 7-8 overs, they can get a kick on from them. 165, 170 SRH bowling lineup, they can defend the total. Pune's bowling, well, they have made 2 changes today. Shaun Marsh is back in, LB Morkel goes out. Ankit Sharma, he makes way for Ashok Dinda. Dinda hasn't played in a while, so I'm not sure how well he's bowling. But Dhoni, he must have seen something in the nets to bring him back. Batting, Pune, Ajinkya Rahane, Faf du Plessis, both have had good tournament. They both scored, but they both haven't scored together. Steven Smith, he's having an average tournament. He would have to come good today. Lot of pressure on Dhoni. He has to come right after Steven Smith if Steven Smith gets out in the 12th or 13th over. I've said it time and again, Dhoni needs to play 20-25 balls to make an impact on the game. Thisara Perera, he had a good game last time around. He's contributing with both bat and the ball, a really important all-rounder for RPS in this tournament. Bowling, Sunrisers Hyderabad, they have been brilliant. They have bowled well, restricted the oppositions to meager totals, and the batting has chased the totals down. Today, they are going to defend the total. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, he gets swing up front. He would like to get 1 or 2 wickets in the first 6 or 7 overs. Mustafizur Rahman, well, he's not been easy to get away. His slow deliveries, nobody's picking them. He's bowling really good 4 overs. He has done until now. He would like to come good today. Ashish Nehra, he's making a comeback after injury. Sran makes way for him. Ashish Nehra would like to make an impact on this game. What David Warner is doing, he's using his 3 bowlers really well. Deepak Hooda, Moises Henriques and the spinner. He's using those 8 overs when the batsmen are under pressure and these 3 guys are not going for a lot of runs. If these 3 bowlers can give away 55-60 runs in those 8 overs, it will be difficult to get a lot of runs from the other 3 bowlers of the likes of Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Mustafizur Rahman and Ashish Nehra. My money is on SRH, but they have to put 165-170 on board. All the best to SRH. I hope Pune loses today again. Dhoni, he is not used to losing a lot of games, but I don't see him winning this game either. All the best to SRH. Enjoy the game.